So now you can see I'm playing this Subway Surfer on my low-end PC and laptop without any kind of problem. Do you also have very low-end PC and laptop which is garbage to you and you are not using them? Then in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make it again alive and you can get most out of that machine. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can install Chrome OS on your PC and laptop with Play Store support, so you can play games and install any Android app which you want to use. Okay, so first thing you need to understand what are the requirements for this. So the requirement for this Chrome OS is very low. Your motherboard should support UEFI firmware and your system should have Intel CPU and GPU, and AMD processors is also supported, but only Ryzen 300 series supported. Another AMD processor is also supported, which is a Stanley Rich processor, and you should have minimum 16 GB USB drive and you should have good internet connection, because we are going to download some resources for this. Okay, so first thing we are going to download this Linux Mint 2.3. so you will get all these resources link in description. Directly just go to link and download all these things. And the next software is Rufus, and we are going to use this Rufus to create a bootable USB of Chrome OS. And the next project you need to download this from GitHub like Brunch. So because of this it is possible to install Chrome OS on your PC and laptop. And the next thing is you need to download the official Chrome OS files, right? Here you need to listen carefully. There are multiple versions of this Chrome OS like Ramus, Samus, Zork or Grunt. Many more code versions are here. Okay, in the right side you can see, but which one you need to download? So like if you have Intel first generation and 5th generation, 10th generation, whatever generation you have, if you have Intel processor, then you need to download the Ramus file. After that, if you have AMD Ryzen 300 series processor, you need to download any Zork file. And if you have AMD Stanley Rich processor, you can download the Grunt. Okay, so I have Intel i3 5th generation processor, so I'm going to download this Ramus. Ramus also have two versions, so I'm going to install this second one. And you need to click on this 103 version because this is the latest file. Okay, so it is also 1.4 GB, so let it download. After that you need to follow some instruction very carefully. Like if we have downloaded all these files, just move all these files on your desktop, and after that you need to extract each and every file on your desktop. Okay, so now we have extracted all the files, and after that you need to create a bootable USB of Linux Mint. So just go to this Rufus and select the ISO from desktop, and you need to choose this option like a partition scheme. So before that you need to understand which partition scheme your drive have. Okay, so just go on this disk management. In disk management, in which drive you want to install, just right click on that and go to properties. In properties you will see here volumes. So here you can see this partition is GPT, so I'm going to select the GPT, otherwise this drive is not going to boot in your system. Okay, and just click here start, and it is going to wipe out data from this USB drive. So make sure you are backing up all the data before following these steps. So after this you need to create one folder on your desktop, name it Chrome OS, and we are going to move all these files in this Chrome OS folder. Just listen carefully. Okay, so we have extracted this branch file. Just move all these files in this Chrome OS folder, and after that we need to edit this Chrome OS file. For renaming this you need to open the install.sh. you will get this file in description, so just download it. You need to name it ramus.recovery. okay, just name it even if you have Grunt or Zork file. Okay, so just rename it to ramus_recovery.bin and just move this file into Chrome OS folder. Okay, so now we have moved all these files, and after that you need to move this install.sh file into this Chrome OS folder. So move all these things into this Chrome OS folder, and after making the bootable USB you need to copy this whole Chrome OS folder into your USB drive. Okay, so I'm going to move this folder on my this USB drive. So after this you need to insert your USB drive in your laptop or PC and boot into BIOS. So all the keys you will get on screen, just press that and go into BIOS. Okay, so just go into system configuration or wherever you see boot option. So in my system configuration I have this boot option, and I can also see here my secure boot is disabled, but I'm going to show you how you can disable it. Just enter on it and just select here disable option. And the next thing is you want to boot from your USB drive. Set the USB DVD ROM on top. Press F10 to save the changes. So after this you need to press the boot key to boot from this USB drive. Okay, so now I can see my USB hard drive selected. After this it will directly run Linux Mint from your USB drive. In Linux environment you need to connect with your Wi-Fi because we need internet to run some commands. After connecting the Wi-Fi, just go into this desktop home folder, and after that click on this file system, In file system, you need to search here like ChromeOS. You will see your ChromeOS folder and just open it. Just right click and open in terminal and type this command like sudo sh-install.sh, and maybe in your case it will give you some error, like in my case it is giving. Okay, so you need to run some command before running that command like sudo apt-get. After that, you need to up down arrow key to copy the same command. You need to type here sudo apt-install.cgpt and hit enter. Again, you need to run one command like sudo apt-install.pv. Now just run your main command like sudo sh-install.sh, and now all things are just done, and you can see here like all data on device this will be lost. Are you sure? So make sure you are backing up all the data from your hard drive, because it is going to remove all the data from your hard drive. And you can also see here dev/sda. You need to confirm like this hard drive will also have the same path. So just go on this Linux Mint start icon, type here gp. You will see here gparted app. Just open it. On the top you will see all the hard drives or drives. Okay, so you can see dev/sda. So in my case it is same, so you don't need to change anything and it is going to install very easily, right? So if you see here sda, or in your case maybe it is something else, you need to modify install.sh. In the starting I told you. Okay, so just type here yes and hit enter, and it is going to wipe out the complete data from this hard drive and will install this Chrome OS very easily. Okay, so all things are just done, and after this you need to type one more command like sudo reboot and hit enter. It is going to reboot your system and remove your USB drive, and now you can see it is loading the branch. And after this you will see here like welcome to your Chromebook, and just set up this device very easily. So I'm going to forward this video. You are all set and click here get started. After this you can see you have installed Chrome OS on your laptop very easily. So you can see I'm running this YouTube on very smoothly without any problem, right? In the bottom right side you can see here action center. Here you can get all the things like increase the volume, increase the brightness and microphone volume. Many more things you can do here, like you can connect Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. You can shut down from here, right? So after this you need to just go on this about Chrome OS, and you can update Chrome OS from here by just clicking on check for update. On desktop you can see here start menu. So here you can see all the apps which is in your system. So open this Play Store, and now you can install any game or app which you love. So I'm going to install this Subway Surfer. I can see my game is not installing. Cancel here and just again go to settings. In settings you need to go into Play Store app. Just go on this more setting permissions, and you need to clear the storage, right? Just go on here and clear the cache and clear the storage. Again install this app and it is going to install very easily if it is showing pending in your case. Okay, so now you can see I'm playing this Subway Surfer on my low-end PC and laptop without any kind of problem. So guys, that's how you can install this latest Chrome OS on your low-end laptop and enjoy. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like this video, so just hit the like button and do subscribe if you are new on this channel.